Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. This is from my favorite designer. I'm in love with this bag and I just feel like this bag is perfect for like your first designer bag. If you want to just like, or maybe this is your first YSL bag, I think you should get this bag. So if you think you'll be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Alright, so we're going to start off doing like an unboxing, even though obviously I already worn this bag, like I already opened it and everything like that. But I'm just going to show you guys like how it came. So I purchased this bag from Selfridges and this is my first purchase from them. I would definitely recommend. They are a Europe-based company, and as you probably know, designer in Europe is cheaper just because, you know, that's where it's manufactured and made. So obviously, you know, it will be cheaper there. And their prices are incredible. They are similar to Essence and Farfetch just because, you know, you are going to get your designer items a little bit cheaper compared to Saks Fifth and Nordstrom just because those are US based companies. So yeah, I would definitely recommend shopping there. The only thing that I didn't really like was the shipping was $30, but they have a program where you pay a monthly subscription of, a yearly subscription of $50 and you get free shipping worldwide. And that's probably what I should have did. Instead of just paying that $30 one time, I could have paid $20 more and got free shipping for the whole year. So I definitely recommend doing that if you do decide to shop at Selfridges, because their prices are cheaper. Like, you're just gonna want to shop there more. Like, I even got a perfume and it was cheaper than at Saks. So it's like, you know, just little things that you don't even think about that you would get at Saks. Selfridges has them for cheaper, and if you have that subscription, you can get it free shipping. I'm not sponsored or anything, but if you want to sponsor me, send me an email. But yeah, so it came in just this little mailer box, just a regular box like this. And then you open it up and then it has like the yellow Selfridges logo. And then it comes with like the tissue and the invoice and the receipt inside. Yeah, this is just the invoice, delivery note, how much it was. So this bag, and I'm gonna like put the difference. This bag is $860 on the Selfridges website, and if you go to the YSL US website, it's $1,200 I think, or maybe $1,100. I'm gonna put it on the screen just like to be sure, but like as you can see, it's like about like a $300 difference, which is amazing. You know, you can use that $300 to buy something else. So this is how the bag came, in like a Selfridges dust bag. And then you open it up and it comes with the Saint Laurent box, of course, black, just like any other Saint Laurent thing you probably will get. And then you open it up again and it comes with the Saint Laurent dust bag, which is like this. And then this just has, you know, like your information in here. And then it comes with like a Selfridges tag and it has a price. So it's actually 790 euros. So I guess that would convert to 860 US dollars, I'm assuming. So yeah, this is the bag. It's just off-white. It's their Blanc vintage white, or vintage Blanc white, something like that. But yeah, it has this, it's like a beige, super, I would say more like the ivory, like off-white type of color. And then it of course has the gold YSL logo. And then it looks like it's like a clutch, but it's a chain. It has a chain on it. And then of course the chain is removable, as you can see. And yeah, it's super long. I've worn it crossbody. I wear it, I'm gonna show you guys like all the different ways too. But I wear this bag so many different ways. Obviously as a clutch, you can wear it. You can wear it like, put this together. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. And one thing that is like amazing about this bag, not only is it affordable, pretty much under $1,000 if you get it from Selfridges, it comes with a card holder. Like literally a Saint Laurent card holder costs about like $300. I think one like this is a little bit cheaper, maybe like in the 200s, but this by itself is $200. But this comes with the bag, and the bag is already under $100. Like, you guys, I just don't understand why. I don't think this bag came out when I got my other YSL bag, but I don't understand why you wouldn't get this bag. Like, the fact that you get two things, it's under $1,000, like, it's amazing. And then I love that it has the grained leather, because I love grained leather. I'm not gonna lie, like, I take care of my bags, but I also can be a little rough, just how I am. So like, I love the grain because I just feel like it's just like you're not gonna see the scratches as much, and I just feel like it's a little bit more durable, especially that it is like this very light color. I was scared of like color transfer, but I haven't got anything. I do wear light colors when I wear this, so that also may be a reason why I don't have that much, like I don't have any color transfer, but I do think that grain would help. Yeah, just love this bag. So cute. And then like, no, obviously I think it's called like the envelope bag because it looks like an envelope. And then you open it up, it has the Saint Laurent. Open it up and then it has the Saint Laurent logo, and then inside it just has just black inside. It doesn't have like anything in it, like no type of dividers or anything. And then it just says made in Italy. So yeah, and then this is how the bag looks. I love this bag. It is a little bit flat, which I'm scared. I've seen other videos where like people say they can put stuff in there, and I've put like my card holder and things in it, but honestly I'm like a little bit scared to just kind of like put too many things in here, stuff it too much, because I really don't want it to use its shape, because as you can see, like it really does have a flat shape right here. So I would just want to be really careful, just, you know, with the overstuffing, but it really does hold a lot. And the fact that it comes with the card holder, you really like, all you need to put is just your cards in here. Like what I do is I'll put like my ID, my debit card, and that's it. If I wanted a carry cab, I can put it in here, put my keys, and that's pretty much it. Like very minimal. But yeah, that's pretty much it, very minimal. This bag is perfect for going out, like a good shopping day, just because it's so small, like and flat. It's just super easy to wear like crossbody, or like I said, even at night times I like to wear like to dinner. I like to wear it with as a shoulder bag. In several different colors. They have this white color, this off-white color, they have red, they have this tan color that I am obsessed with. It's literally sitting in my Selfridges cart right now because I want it that bad. They have a croc black, which I'm obsessed with the silver hardware, and that's another bag that I really want to. I'm deciding between that black one or the tan one. I'm just like, ah. And then they also have like a grayish color. And then I don't know if I already said red, but they have a red color too. So they have several different colors. If you're interested in this bag, I'm sure you can find a color that works for you and that you will like. But yeah, I would 100% recommend this bag. If you guys enjoyed watching this review, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for 12 fuck swat. Pulling out the coupe in the lot, going for 12 fuck swat.